Hi guys, in a previous video I did promise we'd see if we could destroy one of these vape batteries by abusing it, put a nail through it. In fact, I might actually just chop it in half. But the first thing we'll do is see if we got any power on it. I think this is the one that was completely dead. Yeah, looks like we've got nothing on there at all significant. That's millivolts. What I'll do is I'll see if I can put some charge into it first. Let's chop the heater off. Just see if that made any difference, whether that was putting a resistance across it. Not really. Right, so what we'll do is we'll trim the insulation off here. Okay, and then we'll use this one that happens to have a convenient connector on it, specifically for this sort of purpose. So put that one in there, that one in there, so that's got hold of it. Put some power on it and see what happens. I'd expect the red light to come on. Oh, right, blue light indicates that there's a problem, because that would indicate it's fully charged, and it's clearly not fully charged. So that is a problem. I don't think we're going to get any charge into this one. In fact, I'll probably damage my charger module. Ah, that might be the problem. Okay, right, got to do a bit of soldering there, put that bit of wire back on. Right, I've replaced my leads with some rather more substantial ones, but it makes no difference. That is still appearing to be dead. No surprise, but it would have been handy if we could have just made use of that one for the destruction video. Alright, for demonstration purposes we'll just put this battery in, which is a good one that does need charging. So if I plug the USB in, okay, red light comes on, and if we measure across it, you can actually see that rising up as we're charging it. So it's got 3.9 in there at the moment. So unplug that again. Disconnect that one, make sure we don't short the ends together. Put that out of the way. Put this one in that we've already established is dead as dead can be. Measure across that one, 0.5 millivolt or something. If we put that on charge, we got the blue and the red, which is telling us there's a problem. And if we measure across it, it is actually trying to push 4.1 volts into there. So I think I might leave it for a few minutes just to see what happens. Right, I've left it like that for, I don't know, only about quarter of an hour maybe. So it's still showing that it's trying to put 4.11 volts into it. Let's disconnect the USB. See if we've got anything on there. I think you can see there was a bit of voltage there that's just dropping away rapidly. So I don't think we're going to suddenly restore that one. So he might as well go in the bin. Or I might chop it in half just for demonstration purposes. Right, this one, same condition. What's that, 19 millivolts? Oh, that's come on with a red light. That's interesting. That is actually trying to put some power in there. So that one might recover. It's asking a lot. You wouldn't normally expect a LiPo battery to recover from being right down completely flat, or at least I wouldn't expect it to recover. But we'll leave that. That might recover. I didn't expect that. Nearly an hour of charge. Now, quite often I leave these for several hours before they come up, and that's when they're in good condition. Oh, that is still going up though. 4.02. Doesn't feel hot. This other one I'm trying with a different module, which is actually faulty. The LEDs don't come on. I just thought I'd make use of it, because if it kills the module, it's not going to matter. I'll just see what voltage we've got on it. Yeah, that's trying to push about 5 volts through. I'll just disconnect the USB from that and see if we've actually got anything showing. No. So we're not getting anything into that one. That one's as dead as it can be. Well, it's 8:15 now, but we do have the blue LED. So, unplug that, turn that on. So we're just measuring the voltage on the battery. 4.08, so not quite 4.2, which it would be if it was a good one. But bearing in mind it had nothing in it when we tried to measure it before, that has come up. So that's that one. The other one, which I don't expect to find anything on, but we will check it anyway. At the moment, power's still on. 4.8, so that's still trying to push voltage in there. Unplug it. Yeah, nothing. So we've been charging nothing there. That's had no effect on it. So that one's useless. That one has taken charge. It's not in good condition, but it has taken charge. Plan is, we'll destroy them both, but we might get something happen with that one. I don't expect anything to happen with that one. It is now dark outside, so I'll have to put some lights out there, because we'll do it outdoors, not indoors, obviously. Before we go outside, I'll just remind you about this one that I picked up. It had obviously been sliced up by the grass cutter, so that's about as much damage as you could do to one, and there was no evidence it had caught fire to anything, because that's my big worry with these being chucked away. They are going to get chopped up by the grass cutters when the council are cleaning or trimming the grass, and it would be a bit of a surprise if they suddenly burst into flames. Right, we'll keep this simple. That's the one that's completely dead. That's an axe. Nothing happened there. I suppose it'd be a good idea if I stop that one jumping out of the way when I chop it. I'll get some blue tack to hold it down. So yeah, that was a clean cut. Nothing happening there at all. Ooh, just a thought. I might see if I got an electric motor or something, or can I just spark that at all? Oh yeah, we had a bit of a spark there. But I'll just go and get an electric motor just so we can run it a second. There we are. So we got power in the battery. Hopefully it won't jump off when I chop it in half. Oh, nearly missed. Nothing much happened there at all. Let's try that again. That's better. Oh, we had a bit of a spark. There we go. Yes, if I short it out, that's a bit more impressive. So fully charged, and we've actually managed to get some flame. That's messing up my blue tack now, isn't it? And what we did get there, the reason it caught fire was the metal was enough to give us a little short circuit and get a spark. And that ignites the fumes. So back to what I was saying earlier, my concern is when these are disposed of, this could potentially happen. There you go. That'll make all the LiPo fire guys happy. Fully charged, cut in half with a nice sharp axe, so we had a good short circuit across it to give us a spark. I suppose what I could do is sacrifice one of those ones that's been disposed of and not recharged, and see if we can actually set fire to one of them. So here's one of the ones I've picked up. This end has got the vape liquid in it. That end is where the battery is, so we'll try and hit it where the battery is. So this is one that's been disposed of or thrown away, so the assumption is it's either out of liquid or the battery's flat. The ones that I've measured have still got about 3 volts of battery in there, or 3 volts of power in there, even when they've been thrown away. So I'll try and cut it about here. Not hard enough. Hang on. Did I get that wrong? I did get that wrong. Idiot. That was the end with the mouthpiece on. That's where the vape liquid is. This is the end with the battery. We'll do that again. Alright, you've got a good cut in there. It's not instantly bursting into flames. It does feel warm though. Seeing if I can cause a short circuit. It's definitely warm. Not hot, warm. I'll try lighting it. Nope. Okay, that ends tonight's show. I am just double checking, and yes, I did manage to cut the battery with that first shot. I had a few more chops just to make sure, but yeah, definitely sliced the battery there. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.